Hi, Remote is back with a lesson video on income as a determinant of demand. Income influences demand in different ways depending on the nature of the good. In this regard, goods can be classified into three types: normal goods, inferior goods, and necessary goods. In case of normal goods, with an increase in the consumer's income, the demand for normal good increases. With a fall in the consumer's income, the demand for normal good falls. So there is a direct and positive relationship between the consumer's income and the demand for normal goods. Example of normal goods include shoes, TV, clothes, and services include Uber rides and restaurant meals. The graph for normal good is as follows. On the y-axis we have income, on the x-axis we have demand, and the graph is a direct positive relationship between the two. For inferior goods, with an increase in the consumer's income, the demand for inferior goods initially increases up to a certain level, and thereafter, with further increase in the consumer's income, the demand for inferior goods starts falling. Thus, there is a negative income elasticity for demand in case of inferior goods. Examples include canned foods and used cars. For inferior goods, the graph is as follows. It is a backward bending curve, implying it increases up to a certain level and thereafter it decreases. For necessary goods, with an increase in the consumer's income, the demand for necessary goods initially increases up to a certain level, and thereafter, with further increase in the consumer's income, the demand for necessary goods become relatively constant. So there is an inelastic income elasticity of demand for necessary goods. Examples include salt, matchbox, cooking oil, etc. The graph for necessary goods is as follows. The graph initially increases up to a certain point and thereafter becomes constant. That's about all for this video. To watch the detailed video on income as a determinant of demand, visit our channel Edu Remote on YouTube, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for all the videos in future.